why we want to talk about these essential messages. Kasi these messages will be like scripts. Diba? Na parang yun yung magpa-play over and over again in the minds of our children. So, dala-dala nila yun. Like ako, ang dami kong scripts. Ikaw din, marami kang scripts. So, I think the difference when you see yung different responses and dynamics, iba din how ang layo, parang halatang-halata yung ano yung script sa kanya every time we encounter the same thing. The responses, iba nag-iiba based on what scripts we're used to.
Yung upbringing mo plays a big role to who you are today. And so there are certain scripts na pwedeng ito upbringing mo na kailangan baguhin. Dito yung pumapasok yung Romans 12:2, di ba? Yung sabi sa Bible, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. You have to create now new stories to tell you this is how then you should live. No longer living the way na, kunyari, very traumatic yung past mo, lagi kang pinapagalitan, masyadong negative yung parents mo. You've got to change that. And now, it's your responsibility. Kasi up to a certain point, hindi mo pwede sabihin, nanay ko, tatay ko, 40 ka na, nanay ko, tatay ko.
Ganito kasi ako pinalaki. And I think before we get into yung ganun nga, yung parang, okay, how do we now parent our children? First of all, we have to acknowledge tayo mismo. It starts with us.
Yes.
So we have to really renew our thinking, our mindset. Dun yung may